Hi, I'm Dr. Sam Speron. I'm a board-certified plastic surgeon in the Chicago area and a proud member of the American Society for Aesthetic Plastic Surgery and the American Society of Plastic Surgeons. It's so important to know your surgeon's credentials. These aren't just titles, they represent a lifetime of training, ethics, and excellence. Over the years, I've listened closely to my patients. I've learned that you're not just looking for surgery, you're looking for a partner to help you reach your goals and guidance on how to maintain your results long term. Surgery can feel overwhelming. That's why I've redesigned the entire process to reduce your stress and make everything smoother and more convenient for you. Here's the problem. Most facelift patients disappear right after surgery. Months later, they're discouraged when new wrinkles appear. I don't want that to happen to you. That's why I created my exclusive program, a very unique, full service approach designed to make your facelift experience much easier and also help you maintain your results beautifully over time. I'll explain that to you right now. Let's walk through what your experience will look like. Need pre-op blood work? No problem. We have a lab on site to handle it. No extra appointments or hassles for you. We also perform surgery right here in our fully equipped, accredited surgical suite, designed for your safety, comfort, and privacy. On your surgery day, you'll be picked up and dropped off at home in a private car. No worrying about directions or parking, just peace of mind. After surgery, we'll bring you in for a series of gentle therapeutic massages. These help reduce swelling, speed up healing, and just feel really good. We also check your progress to make sure everything's going perfectly. We're open 7 days a week. Need to come in over the weekend? No problem. We're open 7 days a week, so your healing doesn't have to disrupt your life. To help minimize scarring and speed up healing, we also include several complementary laser treatments after surgery. These are gentle and highly effective. It's our way of protecting your investment. And to take your healing even further, every patient in our exclusive program receives a complimentary bottle of my best-selling scar support treatment, part of my all-natural skincare line developed specifically for post-surgical skin. This advanced formula helps soothe the skin, reduce inflammation, and support the body's natural healing process so you can recover beautifully and confidently. This is what sets our exclusive program apart. It's not just about a great result on the operating table. It's about the long-term relationship we build with you. I want to grow old with all of my patients, gracefully, of course. Give us a call at your convenience to set up a private consultation. We'd love to welcome you into our program.